Understanding Cosmetic Enhancement, a guide to beauty and health. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has gained a lot of attention around the world: cosmetic enhancement. Whether you've heard about it in magazines, seen it on social media, or are just curious about what it entails, this video will clarify what cosmetic enhancement is, its various types, and some important considerations. Let's explore how this aspect of beauty and health plays a significant role in people's lives today. Cosmetic enhancement refers to medical or surgical procedures aimed at improving a person's appearance. It's important to distinguish cosmetic enhancement from medical treatments that are necessary for health reasons. Cosmetic procedures are elective, meaning they are chosen by the individual and not medically required. These enhancements can range from simple, non-invasive treatments like skincare therapies to more complex surgeries like rhinoplasty or liposuction. There are two main categories of cosmetic enhancements: surgical and non-surgical treatments. Surgical enhancements. These are procedures that require incisions and are performed by licensed surgeons. Common examples include breast augmentation, liposuction, and facelifts. Surgical enhancements often have longer recovery times but can offer more dramatic and permanent results. Non-surgical enhancements. These procedures are less invasive and usually have shorter recovery times. Examples include Botox injections, dermal fillers, laser hair removal, and chemical peels. Non-surgical treatments may need to be repeated over time to maintain their effects. Choosing to undergo cosmetic enhancement is a significant decision that should not be taken lightly. Here are some key points to consider. Safety. Ensure that any procedure you consider is performed by a certified and experienced professional. Research the potential risks and recovery times. Expectations. Have realistic expectations about the outcomes. While cosmetic enhancement can provide noticeable improvements, it's essential to understand the limitations. Motivation. Reflect on your motivations for seeking cosmetic enhancement. It's crucial to make these decisions for yourself and not due to external pressures. Cost. Many cosmetic procedures can be expensive and are not covered by insurance. Consider the financial investment involved. We hope this video has shed some light on the world of cosmetic enhancement. Whether you're considering a procedure or simply curious about the topic, it's important to approach these decisions with care and thorough research. Remember, beauty comes in many forms, and the most important thing is to feel confident and happy in your own skin. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content soon.